Here we come, A-Wassailing. Now, if you remember, we are in 6/8 time. 6 beats in measure, 8th note gets the beat. That means you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what I'm doing right there is I'm counting the 8th notes. All right? Now, if the 8th note gets the beat, that means a quarter note, which has 2 8th notes in it, is held for 2 beats. So the opening part is counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Like that, okay? Now, looking over at the second page, you have a dotted quarter note, followed by a quarter note, followed by an 8th note. Now, if you remember correctly what we talked about, if you take a dot and put it at the end of a note value, you are now taking that note value and dividing it in half and adding the half onto it. Okay, so if you have a quarter note right here and you have a dot after it, you already know there's 2 8th notes and a quarter note. So take another 8th note and add it on. And if 8th notes are your beat, that means you have 3 beats here, followed by 2 beats here, followed by 1 beat here, and now you're back to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you go to cut time, which is 2, 2. That means your half note gets the beat, and 2 quarters right here get a beat, okay? So when you're right here on this part, I'm going to play it. You got to count like this. You got to get that, make that G hold a hair longer, 1 extra beat, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. And then 1, and then 2, like that. So that's where you go to 2/2 time, which is cut time. So when you get to that part right there, it's just make sure I'm on the right fingers. 1, 2, and like that. Okay. So once again, I'm going to play the second page just so you get the count right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and like that. And then you go right into the next part, which you already know how to play the ending part of it. And then when you get the repeat, right here, you go right back to 6/8 time to get right back here to the cut time.